IAS by Heart is a unique civil services coaching institution. It is ably supported by some of the young men of Anna University alumni. They support the institute by knowledge and infrastructure. The efficacy of the institute is also strengthened by the cooperation and support extended by senior civil servants in IAS, IPS, IRS and in other services. Further, this institute has a dedicated and qualified faculty and who have specialized in various subjects which are very relevant to civil services examination. This institute is offering classroom as well as online coaching. Considering the present national health scenario, this institute is immediately launching online coaching. This coaching will help the students immensely and also reduce wastage of time and money. Preparation is a serious and a hard-working job. Commitment and devotion is not only enough, it is the good strategy by which you make all the basics of preparation. Study is very important. The first step is to get thorough understanding of the syllabus of each subject. The syllabus understanding involves reading and comprehending every word that is written in the syllabus. Each word forms into a chapter or topics and subtopics. The next important factor is understanding the previous year question papers, because they will be able to tell any aspirant about the quality of the questions that are expected to be answered by the aspirants and also the level of answer that is expected. More so, it will also give the trend of UPSC questions. The next important factor is that all the aspirants are supposed to have a basic understanding of NCERT books of 9th to 12th standard, and these NCERT books will give you a comprehensive knowledge on most of the subjects that are relevant to UPSC preliminary as well as main examination. These books will form the basic study material. Any aspirant is expected to be focused on current affairs, because as you understand the questions of UPSC and the trend of UPSC questions, you will be able to infer that the current affairs influence the examiners to set the questions. Majority of the time, the questions in the optionals are also influenced by the ongoing events in the national level and at international level. Also, very important step for any aspirant is to take notes for all his efforts of reading as well as looking at internet. Whether it is optional or current affairs, he is expected to make short notes of everything that he has gone through. Otherwise, at review stage, one will be wasting lot of time and energy in searching of the relevant material, because your notes will make any topic into a capsule form, which will make your knowledge as well as memory very memorable. I will emphasize on time budgeting, because you have got a specific period, let us say 12 months, you will be undergoing preliminary, main and personality test, each one with the spacing of 3 to 5 months. Each time you are required to allot the time available to you between the preliminary or main exam into various subjects, and then each subject will be divided into chapters and subtopics. Therefore, time budgeting is very important, and it depends on each individual's understanding and comprehension and the speed in which he is able to complete and master the relevant material. Also, one important thing is that you must make your friends, your parents, your colleagues and also your teachers listen to you by a well and a decent conversation. Unless you engage yourself with free talk, you will not be able to understand defects of your learning and searching material. This will go hand in hand or in a big way for preparation of the relevant topics and also mastering of those relevant topics. Further, for main, selecting an optional is very important. Optionals can be selected based on your interest and your comfort with a particular subject. You may choose some of the subjects which you have studied at UG or PG level as your major, and those subjects may be seen whether they are very well reimposing in your preparation for civil services general studies papers. Another most important factor is the internet searching and browsing. Many of the topics you will be able to find the relevant material in internet, and it is for you to identify the right material and reduce them into reading material. Further, I would like to sum up by advising you that IAS by Heart institution will be able to guide you in all these efforts during your preparation as well as appearing in the exam and for personality test. I am sure that you will be able to enjoy the online coaching, and when the situation improves, the institute gives you the option to change over to a classroom coaching. Thank you.